In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive to automate your backups. If you want an easy way to protect your important files without having to manually copy them every time, OneDrive is a great built-in option on Windows. It can automatically back up the folders you use most often, which helps keep your files safer if your computer crashes, gets replaced, or you accidentally delete something locally. To get started, look down at your Windows taskbar and click the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, you may need to open the hidden icons area in the taskbar first. Once you click the cloud icon, the OneDrive panel will open. From there, click the settings gear icon. A small menu will appear and then you'll want to select settings again. This takes you into the main OneDrive settings area where you can control how syncing and backups work on your computer. Next, go to the Sync and Backup tab. This is the section where OneDrive lets you manage which folders are automatically protected. If you're setting this up for the first time, this area is especially important because it controls the backup behavior for your most commonly used files. Now click Manage Backup. This opens the backup setup screen where you'll see a list of folders that OneDrive can protect for you automatically. These typically include folders like Documents, Desktop, Pictures, Music, and Videos. These are the folders most people save important files to, so backing them up is a smart default choice. Turn on backup for the folders you want to protect. As you make your selections, keep in mind that anything saved in those folders will sync to OneDrive going forward. That means your files can also be available across devices signed into the same account, which is a useful bonus in addition to backup protection. After choosing your folders, click Save Changes or Start Backup if that's the option shown on your screen. OneDrive will then begin setting things up and syncing those folders automatically. Depending on how many files you already have, the first backup may take some time, so it's normal if it doesn't finish instantly. And that's it. Once this is enabled, OneDrive will continue backing up those selected folders automatically in the background. It's a simple setup, but it can save you a lot of stress later by making sure your important files are consistently protected.